Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese Aloo Paratha. First, let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add water, kneading until you have a soft, pliable dough. Continue kneading for about 6 minutes to develop the gluten. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender paratha. Next, we'll create the star of our paratha, the filling. Boil 3 medium potatoes until tender, then peel and mash them thoroughly. Add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix in a tablespoon of chopped cilantro and a half teaspoon of garam masala. Combine everything well, ensuring there are no large potato lumps. This flavorful mixture is what makes the paratha so special. Now it's time to bring it all together. Divide both the dough and the filling into 8 equal portions. Take 1 dough ball and flatten it slightly with your palm. Place a portion of the potato and cheese filling in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together to enclose the filling, sealing it completely. Lightly dust your work surface with flour and gently roll the stuffed dough into a round paratha, about 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Be gentle to prevent tearing. Finally, let's cook these delicious parathas. Heat a tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Place a rolled paratha onto the hot surface. Cook for about 1 minute, then flip it. Apply a teaspoon of oil or ghee to the cooked side and spread evenly. Flip again and apply oil to the other side. Cook each side for another 1 to 2 minutes, pressing gently until both sides are golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve your hot cheese, Aloo parathas, immediately with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.